Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we will discuss about how to add fractions, how to subtract fractions, how to multiply fractions and how to division fractions. We will learn today. Okay, so here in the previous video only already we discussed about what is a fraction, how many types are there fractions and all, right? So today we'll discuss about how to add the fractions, right? So addition of fractions. So here the first one I am doing addition of fractions. How to add the fractions we will see. Addition of fractions. Here in this one, here we will get the two cases. First one is it depends on what are the types of the fractions. If the types of the fractions are the given fractions are like fractions, then we have to proceed one process. If the fractions are unlike, then we have to proceed the another method. The first one we will see if the like fractions. Already we know that what is the like fractions. In the last video only we saw that, right? So the like fractions means what? If the denominators of the all the fractions, if it is same, if the denominators of all the fractions are same, then we will call those are the like fractions, right? So here the case one. So I'm taking here like fractions. How to add like fractions? How to add like fractions, right? So here, suppose here the first example I'm taking here. See here, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3. What we are doing here, I taken two fractions, those also like only, right? 2 by 3, 5 by 3. I should add these two. How to add we will see. Here if you observe here, both the denominators are same only, right? So what we will call those are like fractions. Already we know that. So how to add like fractions is very easy. Just here we have to add only denominator. Here, see here, if you observe here, 2 by 3 plus 5 by 3 we taken. If you observe here, denominators are same here, right? If the denominators are same is what we will call those are like fractions. Like fractions adding is very easy. Addition of like fractions are very easy. See here, simple. We have to add only numerator. We have to add only numerator. No need to touch the denominator. Denominator should be same only. So we will add the numerators. What are the numerators here? The first fraction numerator is 2. The second fraction numerator is 5. So 2 plus 5 divided by 3 we have to take as it is. So just we added directly, we can add in this case. When if the fractions, if the given fractions are like fractions, if the given fractions are like fractions, then we can add directly. Numerators only we have to add. 2 plus 5 is how much? 7. Our answer is 7 by 3. It's very easy, right? What we done? First we have to observe whether the fractions are like or not. If those are like, we have to add directly. Only we have to add the numerators. So 2 plus 5, how much? 7. The denominator is as it is, 7 by 3. We will see another example here. In this case only, first case only, we will see another example. Suppose here 101 by 101 by 5 plus 206 by 5. Here again if you observe, those two fractions are what? Like fractions only, right? So in the like fractions, in this case what we have to do? We have to add directly. Numerators we have to add directly. So the first numerator is what? 101 plus the second numerator is what in the second fraction? 206. So directly we have to add it. Divided by the numerator we have to take same. here we have to take denominator is same only. Okay, so we added numerators directly and we take a denominator is as it is 5 only. Now 101 plus 206 is how much? 307 by 5. That's it's very easy, right? So what we done? First we have to observe whether the given fractions are like or unlike. If the like fractions if they given directly we have to add it. Directly we have to add the numerators and denominator is same only. I hope all are understood. Now we will move to the next one. So next in the sense next case here only in the addition only next one. If the fractions are given fractions are unlike, if the given fractions are unlike fractions, if the given fractions are unlike fractions, what we should do? So here, if the fractions are, the given fractions are unlike means, so we'll take unlike fractions first. For example, here 4 by 3. 4 by 3 plus 5 by 2. If you observe here clearly, here the given fractions, whatever I take in the fractions are what? Those are unlike. What is the definition of unlike fractions? We know that numerators, whatever the numerators, we have to check here, we have to observe only denominators. If the denominators same, then we'll call those are the like. If the denominators are not same, that means unequal, those are the unlike fractions. If you observe here, denominators are not same, so those are the unlike. In this case what we should do, if those are like means directly we can add it. Here simple thing, here whatever the given fractions, right, those you have to do cross multiplication. What we are doing here, cross multiplication we should do. Whatever the numbers are, we have to multiply cross. See here, 2 fours, 2 fours, whatever here symbol is addition we are doing, so addition. Next 3 into 5 we are doing cross multiplication first, right? So 4 into 2 or else 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 divided by again we have to multiply directly, the denominators we have to multiply 3 into 2. If the given fractions are unlike, then we have to proceed this process, right? So what I done first, we have to multiply crossly. So 2 fours are 2 into 4 plus 3 into 5 divided by, we have to multiply denominators also. So 3 into 5. Now, sorry, 3 into 2. Now 2 fours are how much? 8 plus 3 fives are 15 divided by 3 twos are how much? 6. Right. Now 8 plus 15 is how much? 23. 23 by 6. This is only our answer. 23 by 6. Now we will take another example. Right. So here 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4. 3 by 4. If you observe here also, the denominators are not same. So which kind of fractions? Those are unlike fractions, right? Here also first what we should do, the first step we have to do cross multiplication. Cross multiplication we have to do. The first step is only cross multiplication. 2 into 4, 2 into 4 plus 7 into 3 divided by, we have to multiply denominators also, 7 into 4. Next here 2 fours are how much? 8 plus 7 threes are how much? 21 divided by 7 fours are 28. Right. Now 8 plus 21 how much? 8 plus 21 is 29 divided by 28. This is only our final answer. It's very easy, right? So here what we should do, first we have to do cross multiplication. Next here, if we'll take more problems, if we do the practice, no need to write this step also. Directly we can come to the second step only. If we'll do the more questions, practice means here, no need to write this is always this step. Directly we can tell 2 4s are 8 plus 7 3s are 21 divided by 7 4s are 28. That equals to 8 plus 21 is what? 29 divided by the denominator 7 4s are 8 plus 21 is what? 29 divided by 7 4s are 28. Directly we can take. Are you understood all of you? Next we will see the subtraction. How to do subtraction of fractions. Okay. Subtraction of fractions we will see. Here also same thing. Here also it depends on two cases. If the given fractions are like, if the given fractions are unlike. So here two cases. The first one, if the given fractions are like, then we have to proceed one type of procedure we have to follow. If the fractions are given fractions are unlike, then the previous how we done know, how we done for the addition, same here. Instead of taking plus symbol, we have to take here minus. Why? Because here we are doing subtraction only, right? Okay. See here, the first case here I am taking like fractions. So here, suppose 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3. If you observe here, both the fractions are what? Like fractions. Here, in this case, we can do the subtraction is directly. How we done addition? Directly we done addition, right? For the like fractions. Here also same. Directly we have to do the subtraction. So how we should do? Only we have to simplify only numerators. Alright. So 2 minus 1 divided by how much? What is the denominator? 3. So what is the 2 minus 1? 2 minus 1 is what? 1. Right. Plus 2 minus 1 is plus 1. So 1 by 3 is very easy, right? When the given fractions are like fractions, then we can do directly either addition or subtraction. We have to add directly. For example, we are adding means we have to add directly numerators. We will get our final answer. If we are doing subtraction, then we have to subtract the numerators. In case of subtraction of fractions, right? Next example we will take. Another example. Suppose here 7 by 6 minus 5 by 6. 7 by 6 minus 5 by 6. Here also they both are like fractions only, right? So directly we have to subtract. 7 minus 5 by 6. What is 7 minus 5? How much? 7 minus 5 is plus 2, right? Why? Because bigger number is having positive sign. By denominator is as it is. Here if you observe here, both the numbers we can simplify it. Both also it will go with the same table. We can stop here also. But if you want to simplify, just both numerator and denominator go with same table. What is the table? 2. 2 ones, 2 threes. So after simplifying, what we will get? 1 by 3 we will get. We have to do the how to subtract unlike fractions. How to subtract unlike fractions we will see. Okay. How to subtract unlike fractions. So let me take two unlike fractions. 7 by 4 minus 5 by 2. 5 by 2. If you observe here, both are unlike fractions only, right? 7 by 4 and 5 by 2 both are unlike fractions only. How to subtract here means the same. How we done in the addition? We have to cross multiplication we should do. First what we should do? Cross multiplication we should do. Here also the first step is same. Cross multiplication we should do. For both addition also, subtraction also, same procedure. Only the one thing it will change here, the middle sign only it will change. Okay, so 7 into 2. 7 into 2 minus. What is the sign? Minus. If it is plus means you have to take plus. 4 into 5 divided by. Now we have to multiply the denominators. 4 into 2. 7 2s are how much? 14. Minus 5 4s are how much? 20 divided by 4 2s are 8. Now if you observe here, both the signs are different. So what we have to do? Subtraction we have to do. So 14 minus 20 how much? 14 minus 20. Or else you do 20 minus 14. How much you will get? 6. But bigger number having which sign? Minus. So minus 6 by 8. Again if you observe here, both the numbers numerator and denominator will go with the same table. What is that? 2. 2 3s, 2 4s. After simplifying, what is the answer? Minus 3 by 4. That's it. It's very easy, right? How we done addition like this? Here also same thing only. Just here we have to take the middle sign is minus. We will see the another example. 6 by 5 minus 4 by 2. Okay. So here also we can simplify. Both us will go with the same table only. We can simplify, or else we can do the direct subtraction also we can do it. We can follow our procedure also. Okay. First what we should do? Cross multiplication we should do. 6 to directly here I am writing. Okay, I am not writing this step here. So 6 to the how much? 12 minus 5 4 the 20 divided by 5 to the how much? 10. What is the difference between 20 and 12? 8. Which 8? A bigger number is having minus. So minus 8 divided by 10. Again if you observe here, both the numbers also will go with the same table. What is that? 2. 2 4s, 2 5s. After simplifying, our answer is minus 4 by 5. What is our answer? Minus 4 by 5. Like this we have to do the subtractions for unlike fractions. Understood? I hope all are understood. Next one we will see how to multiply. How to multiply the fractions. How to multiplication, how we should do, we will see. For the fractions, multiplication. Right, multiplication we will see. Now how to multiply means here no need to think about whether they are like or whether they are unlike. No need to think here. So directly we can do it. Suppose here the fractions I am taking here 2 by 3 into, I should multiply here 7 by 5. So these two both the fractions I should multiply here. So what are those? 2 by 3 into 5 by 7 by 5. 7 by 5. Here how to multiply? Here no need to think about whether they are like or unlike. Directly we can do it. For addition, for subtraction, in the case of unlike fractions, what we done? Cross multiplication we done. Here no need to do the cross multiplication also. Directly we have to multiply. Here we have to multiply numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. We should do it. So 2 into 7 divided by 3 into 5. This is very easy than the addition and subtraction, right? So it's very easily we can do it. So 2 7s are how much? 14. 3 5s are 15. That's it. Here both the numbers also it won't go with any same table. So we can stop till here only. No need to simplify also. Right? Okay. Next another example we will see for the multiplication only. So here suppose 5 by 6 into 5 by 6 into 8 by 3. Suppose I will take like this both the fractions. So 5 by 6 into 8 by 3 I should multiply. So how we should do direct multiplication only here. So 5 into 8 divided by 6 into 3. Here 5 8s are how much? 40. 6 3s are 18. Again, if you observe here, both the numbers will go with the same table, which is the table 2 only, right? 2, how much? 2 2s are 4 and 0. 2 9s. So what is the our final answer after simplifying? 20 by 9. Alright. Here, instead of doing first this step, we can do here also. If you observe here clearly, 6 and 8, one should be in the numerator, another should be in the denominator. Then only we can cancel. We can't cancel the numerator part into numerator part. And we can't cancel denominator by denominator. So one should be in the numerator, another should be the denominator. So if you observe here, here only we can cancel. So same thing only I am doing another way. See here, 5 by 6 into 8 by 3. By seeing this only, I know that here 6 and 8 both are, it will go with the same table. What is the 2? 2 3s, 2 4s. So 5 by 3 into 4 by 3. After simplifying, here we can do the multiplication. Here we got it, the both are which kind of fractions? Like fractions. Here also same only. We have to do the direct multiplication only. Multiply numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 5 4s 20. 3 3s 9. Same answer only we got, right? Anything we can follow. Either this case or that case also we can follow. Multiplication is very easy, right? What about that? Whatever the kind of fractions, we have to do the multiplication is directly numerator into numerator, denominator and denominator. I hope all are understood. Shall we move to the next division? Alright. How to do division? How to division for the fractions means here. Here also no need to think about whether they are like or unlike. Only for addition and subtraction only we have to check whether they are like or unlike. That's it. But for multiplication, for division, no need to check. So directly we can do it. So example here, for example I am taking 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5 we should do. So what we should do? 2 by 3 divided by 4 by 5 we should do. Here one thing we have to remember it. So 2 by 3. This division I am taking, this operation I am changing as multiplication. The division operation I am changing to multiplication operation. Why I am changing means here we can do it, we can simplify easily. Okay. So here I am taking the division operation I am changing to as multiplication operation. Now here whatever that next second fraction is there, right? That fraction we have to take reciprocal. When we are changing operation from division to multiplication or else from multiplication to division also, the second fraction, whatever the second fraction is there, right? That one we have to take reciprocal. Reciprocal in the sense what? We have to take reverse. So here 4 by 5 is there. If you take it reciprocal means what we will get? 5 by 4 we will get. What we will get? 5 by 4. Again it becomes a multiplication. Just now only we learn how to do the multiplication, right? So directly 2 5s are how much? 10. 3 4s 12. Again we can simplify right here also. 2 5s 2 6. 5 by 6. It's very easy, right? Here one thing you have to remember here, when we are changing operation from division to multiplication, in this case we have to change here whatever the second fraction is there, right? The second fraction we have to take reciprocal. It's reciprocal we have to take. It's reciprocal we should take, right? So another example we will see for the same division only. We'll see another example. Suppose 8 by 9 divided by 11 by 10. 11 by 10. So here 8 by 9 divided by 11 by 10. Same here. First what we should do, we have to change the operation from division to multiplication. So second fractions becomes reciprocal. Reciprocal means we have to take denominator as numerator, numerator as denominator. So 10 by 11. 8 tens are how much? 80. 9 11s are 99. That's it, our answer. I hope all are understood. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and like and share it. Thank you so much.